Kia ora team, it's building out west and fading out east. I reckon you'll be able to find something on much of the coast though this weekend. The in-depth analysis and our Kiwi owned cams are at goodsurfnow.co.nz. Righto, starting on the west coast, there's a big storm south of the country sending a solid southwest swell up the Tasman, building Saturday and filling in Sunday, getting up around 2 to 2.5 metres I reckon, with southwest winds forecast. The exposed beaches are looking a bit scruffy. The north facing points and reefs are the best bet where you can tuck yourself out of the wind hopefully. It's big and unruly in the South Island with strong southwesterly, so it's a weekend for the nooks, crannies and novelty breaks if you know where to look. Kapiti and Manawatu look a little bit rough Saturday with strong southerlies chopping things up, but Sunday cleans up a bit with lighter winds forecast and a little swell filtering in from the Tasman. Over on the northeast coast, there's some leftover swell from that ex-tropical system. The winds flick offshore, so Saturday should be fun sized around 1 to 1.5 metres depending on where you are, cleaning up with strong offshore southwesterly winds, maybe too strong in places. Sunday it fades back to under a metre, but there should still be some leftovers on the swell magnets for the longboards and microgroms and maybe a bit more. And on the east and south coast below East Cape, there's a mix of northeast swell out of the tropical system and a northeast wind field out to sea, and some new south swell building out of the Southern Ocean. The north facing breaks are worth a look in both islands, particularly on Saturday I reckon, and it'll be bigger in the South Island. And that south swell, when it fills in, should be good fun on the south coast of Wellies late Sunday, maybe into Monday. There's heaps more detail on the site. Go have a look and have a mint weekend team. Yo!